I think all these people here are pumpkin spice latte. Could it be?
Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and today is a PSL day at Starbucks. All the new fall drinks have been released today. What is today? Tuesday, August 24th, and you know we had to come and try out the pumpkin spice latte, or I believe there's another new drink. So we're gonna go into Starbucks and see what they have today, try some new Starbucks fall drinks, and maybe see some fall merch, and maybe we'll buy some stuff to do another giveaway. So make sure you stick around and watch. And make sure you subscribe, and if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up, and let's go to Starbucks.
So did you put in your order?
Yes.
What does that say right there? Is that what you ordered, Veronica?
Yes.
What is that?
They gave us an extra coffee.
Oh, why?
Well, the one dude put the order in, and then he gave us a coffee, but the other dude didn't know that the other dude already gave us the coffee, so you get an extra coffee.
Okay, okay. So show us the goods. You want me to show this process?
Yes.
Okay. I'll cut that part out.
I mean, you can't really tell what it looks like from there, but you shall taste it. That's just regular coffee.
Oh, okay. So that one's not important.
No.
Okay. We done? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Pumpkin cream cold brew. One of my favorites from last year.
Okay.
Just got a small one just to taste it. So I tried the Dunkin' pumpkin cold brew. This one is definitely the winner. I don't know, the pumpkin cold foam is like really good.
Okay.
Okay, so we came to Starbucks pumpkin spice release day. We tried a few new drinks, pumpkin drinks. Pumpkin cream cold brew has been one of my favorites. It's been around for I think a couple years. Definitely better than Dunkin's. Dunkin's was good, but if you like cold brew and like pumpkin, you should have Starbucks. Very, very good. The other drink we had is the new apple crisp macchiato. At first, I wasn't sure because I'm not a big fan of like apple cider, like hot apple cider. But I said I have to try it. I gotta let you guys know. It's actually pretty good. It has caramel in it, and it's like not super apple-y tasting, just like a hint. It's actually really good. So if that sounds interesting to you, give it a try. I actually really liked it. I finished it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. So they have it in hot and in cold. I'm gonna try the cold one another day, but definitely Starbucks is usually a thumbs up for me. And that's it. I didn't try the pumpkin spice latte because, you know, that one's been around for a long time. We've all had that one. So pumpkin cream cold brew is a winner, and apple crisp macchiato is also a winner. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video and keep watching so you know when I announce my fall giveaway. And don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and we'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Now I gotta go make dinner.